This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the tray and immediate hardware so you know what failed and why. Remove the keyboard, unplug cables, and clear the area. This prevents accidental drops. Once done, gather a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, replacement screws or sliders, and a flashlight so you can work accurately. Make sure to photograph the underside and each mounting point. These images guide reassembly and prevent guesswork. If you see rust, loose bolts, or missing clips, mark them now before moving to the next step. You now disassemble the tray mechanism methodically so you can replace the failing parts. First, support the tray with one hand or a prop, then loosen bolts on one side and remove the slider or rail, keeping screws organized. Next, match the old part to the replacement, swap rollers or brackets, and clean mating surfaces to remove debris. Once replacements are in place, apply a thin layer of silicone or graphite lubricant to the tracks so movement is smooth. Make sure to tighten fasteners snugly, but avoid stripping threads. You finish by reassembling and testing so the tray works reliably every day. Reattach the tray, aligning both rails before tightening bolts incrementally. This ensures the tray sits level and prevents binding. Once secured, reinstall the keyboard and test the glide under load. Push and pull slowly, then at normal speed, checking for wobble or catch. If things bind, stop, loosen bolts, realign rails, and clean or replace mismatched parts. This troubleshooting tip fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.